best of days. Good day to be inside making cookies. It was hailing a few minutes ago. Good afternoon. Terry here at Chewy Farm. Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite cookie recipes. It's a recipe that my mom used to make for my dad because my dad loved these cookies. They're called Hermits. And I don't know where the name of Hermits came from, but it's, so I decided to look online and see what it says. Is it old-fashioned Hermit cookies? And it says that they, food historians place their origin in the late 1900s in New England. And then I guess the recipe reached southeastern Canada and it became an all-time favorite in that area. It says, although the Hermit name could also mean keep well and can travel, because it's still chewy and delicious after many days. Other theories point out that their brown color is similar to hermit bags. Hermits are an American favorite thanks to their sweetness, the chewiness of raisins, and the delicious fragrance of spice combination. Sounds great to me. Anyways, Hermits is a recipe that I'm going to make today. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by mixing. Let's see down here. You can see my mix master here. There we go. By adding 1 cup of brown sugar, and we're going to add a 1/4 cup of shortening and a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. All right, and then we're going to add 1/4 cup of cold black coffee, leftover black coffee. And 3 eggs. Just had to show you what the weather looks like outside. Unbelievable. You can see the hail on the table. That's something we don't get very often. But hopefully it doesn't last too long. You can see a little bit of blue sky up there. Add 1 teaspoon of soda, and you're going to just put 1 tablespoon of water in it. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Just going to add 1½ cups of flour. That's our skylight. Crazy. 1/2 cups of raisins. And 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Put a rounded 2 tablespoons worth, about 2 inches apart. Already, so into the 375-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes.